Welcome back. Now, one other element that we can set up is to have our students receive a certificate when they finish our course. And we're going to go to the certificates element. And to do that, we're going to then click on Create New Certificate. We can then take one of the templates available that Teachable gives us, or we can use a custom template that is made up. We're just going to take one of the default templates. We're then going to click Next. What we can do is we can then edit this template. For example, we can upload an image that's 300 by 300, and then we can edit the rest of our content. Once we have our certificate, we can then preview that certificate. If it looks the way we want, we can then save the certificate. And we'll just click Finish. What we can do is decide whether we're going to activate this certificate for our course. If we decide that we want to, we can then click Activate. Now, anyone that completes our course will get a certificate as we have created it here. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.